You ready to fire it up?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Yes! Fucking thing fired right up! Holy shit! Yes! Holy fuck! Fucking fired right up! Wow! Give her, give her! Rev it up! Rev it up! Hey! Fucking we did it! Yes! Whoa! Yes! Fuck!
These guys are awesome, man.
Fuck! Yes! Yes! Yeah! He's running! He's running! Look at here! Look here! Look here! Fucking thing shakes the whole truck. Jesus! That's a really good oil pressure. Hey guys, so this is after all that excitement. So just showing you the final product of Chopra Motors. We built this glider. Made everything work, everything. All electrical, all the gauges, power steering, starter, alternator, you name it, it works. Honestly, this was the biggest project of my career. And I'm so thankful to God. It's been done so nicely. There's the intake side. Wow. I'm speechless. This is awesome. Beautiful. Wow. Isn't that sexy? Thank God.